got me and the camera. So manage broadcast. That's crazy. So we're trying to figure out how to get OBS to actually show my desktop instead of me. This is kind of a test because I've never used OBS. Honestly, I thought I could go into YouTube on my Mac and just choose to share my desktop instead of sharing my webcam. But apparently, YouTube isn't caught up in that technology, that wizardry. It's not the option. You got to use a third party thing. So I just installed OBS for the first time. That's all right. Start streaming. My streaming is not enabled on the selected channel. It totally is, man. It totally is. I'm looking at it, and I'm also live. Yo, this is whack. I don't know. Maybe I'm not gonna do this live after all. If I can't share my goddamn desktop, if I can't share my screen without paying. I don't know about y'all, but I'm sick of paying for stuff. I literally don't want any more subscriptions, especially subscriptions for non-tangible things. All right, studio mode. I'm just clicking around in OBS now. Let me see. Sources. Video capture device. Man, maybe that's what the stream is today. Y'all just listen to me figure out how the hell to get OBS to work with a live stream. Oh, if you're watching this on YouTube, I'm streaming on Fanbase at the same time. Camera. Yeah, I just realized you probably see a lot of stuff in the background. All right. So yeah, it looks like OBS is not gonna happen for me. Either I'm not smart enough, or maybe that's just it. I'm not smart enough, or it's not intuitive enough. It's telling me I haven't enabled I don't have live streaming enabled, but I definitely do because I'm live on YouTube right now. Maybe I wasn't supposed to go live on YouTube. Maybe I was supposed to initiate the live from inside. Streaming software connected. All right. Desktop. Screen. No, OBS is not super intuitive. Show recordings. Bro, how do I select the screen and share the screen, man? This is whack. It's about to be rush hour, so definitely close to bailing on this test. Broadcast. Let's look at how to do it. Guides. Share screen. Stream layout tutorial, display capture sources, screen capture. With a minor capture source based on. Right, okay, getting warmer. Where are the damn settings for it? You just tell me what it is. Tell me how to get to it in the tool, man. I think OBS needs to let AI rewrite their manuals. Telling me what a feature does without telling me how to access the feature in the software is backwards. It's like cart before the horse. Let's see here. Capture whole display. Right. Try webcam to your stream. All right. Here's what we're gonna do. Because I'm about to bail. My attention span is about to abandon this task. All right. Wake up. There we go. All right, cool. Right here. There we go. Hey, OBS's knowledge base is kind of trash. So I need you to help me figure out how to share my screen from a desktop and then also share.
To share your desktop screen using OBS, here's the gist. Based on what I've got it, you want to share your desktop screen and your webcam at the same time. Here's how you can do that in OBS. First, open OBS and select or create a scene. Within that scene, click the plus icon under Sources and add a display capture source to capture your entire desktop. Then click the plus icon again and add a video capture device source for your webcam. Make sure the webcam source is positioned above the display capture in the source list so it appears on top. You can resize and move the webcam overlay as needed. Once both sources are enabled, you can start your stream or recording, and your viewers will see both your desktop and your webcam feed simultaneously.
Sources and a display capture. Right. I see display capture listed as deprecated.
It sounds like you might be seeing a warning or note in OBS about a deprecated feature. OBS does update its terminology and sources over time, but as of now, the recommended way to share your desktop is still to add a display capture or window capture source, depending on whether you want the entire screen or just a specific application. If you're seeing deprecated, it might refer to an older plugin or feature that has been replaced, but the standard display capture function in OBS Studio is still widely used. If you're unsure or something looks off, you could try updating to the latest version of OBS, as that usually smooths out any deprecated features and provides updated options. Let me know if you need more detail on that.
Mac OS screen capture. All that screen. No, not that one. This one. Bam. Q. Cursor. Okay. Screen is up. And then does it matter if I've already started the YouTube live?
No worries. If you've already started your YouTube live stream, you can still add or adjust sources in OBS on the fly. Just add or reorder your display capture and webcam sources, and the changes will be reflected in your live stream immediately. Just make sure the sources are visible and sized the way you want.
Webcam is probably video capture device.
Exactly. In OBS, your webcam will show up as a video capture device. Just add that as a source, choose your webcam from the list, and you'll be able to adjust its position and size on top of your desktop display capture. Once you're happy with the layout, you'll be set to stream both your screen and your webcam feed.
I kind of know things.
I get it. These tools can be a bit finicky at first. If something isn't showing up exactly how you want, don't hesitate to ask for more help. You can experiment with the source settings, move things around in the preview window, and see how it looks in real time. If you run into any specific issues, just let me know and I'll walk you through it.
All right, that's me. Webcam, screen, and then what? So I added the webcam source. I added the screen. They're working. What's next?
Great, that means you've got your scene set up. Next, you can adjust the layout by clicking and dragging the webcam overlay to the corner or wherever you want it on the screen. You can also resize it by dragging the corners. Once you're happy with how it looks, make sure your audio is set up, your microphone, and any system sound you want to include. After that, you just keep streaming. You can switch between scenes or toggle sources on and off as needed while you're live. If all looks good, you're ready to go.
Oh, snap. Okay. Oh, that's neat. So I can put myself in the bottom corner there.
Sounds good. If you run into any hiccups or want to tweak something while streaming, just let me know. Enjoy your live stream.
Mhm. All right, cool. I'm in there. There's that. Okay, so how do I put what I'm seeing in OBS into the YouTube live stream I got going right now?
To push what you see in OBS to your YouTube live stream, you need to make sure OBS is connected to your YouTube stream. You do this by grabbing the stream key from YouTube and entering it into OBS. Once it's set, whatever you have in OBS is automatically sent to YouTube. Since you've already started the YouTube live, as long as OBS is linked to that stream, what you see in OBS should already be feeding into YouTube. If it's not, double check that stream key in OBS under Settings, Stream. Once it's correct and OBS is streaming, you're good to go.
Preferences. OBS settings are under preferences. What am I looking for? Stream.
Yes, in OBS preferences, you're looking for the stream section.
Yeah.
There you can select YouTube as the service and enter your stream key from your YouTube Live dashboard. Once that's set and you click Start Streaming in OBS, it should feed directly into your YouTube live stream.
Live. A live what? What is that? A live key? What am I looking for? Stream key. I didn't see anything about a stream key, fam.
No problem. Sometimes OBS can be a little tricky to navigate. In OBS Studio, you can get to the streaming settings by clicking on Settings in the lower right corner.
No. I'm looking for a stream key in YouTube. I'm in my live screen here, but I don't see anything.
No
What,
problem. In your YouTube studio, go to the live control room. There, you can find your stream key under the
bro?
stream settings tab.
What
Copy
is
that.
what does that look like? I don't see anything called live control room. Is that the settings icon?
On YouTube, you can find the live control room by going to youtube.com, clicking onto the create button, the camera icon with a plus at the top right, and selecting go live. This takes you to the live control room, where you'll see your streaming options. In the stream tab there, you'll find your stream key. Copy that key and then paste it into OBS under preferences or settings in the stream section. Once that's done, you can start streaming from OBS and it will feed into your YouTube live stream.
So if I already have a live stream going, the only way that I get that stream key is by ending the live that I'm on right now.
You don't necessarily need to end your current stream to get the stream key. If you go into the YouTube live control room for the stream you've already started, there should be a stream key listed without needing to stop the broadcast. You may need to open the YouTube studio, go to the live tab, and access the specific live event you're running. There you should see the settings and the stream key. If you can't find it, it might be that the stream was set up differently, in which case you could end the current stream and start a new one with a known stream key. But usually, you can retrieve the key while live.
Let's see. Yeah, shareable link. Webcam. Live control. This is a view I haven't seen before. Okay. Chat. Dashboard. Let's try this again. Yes. Weird. I don't see me in the corner like I see on the OBS screen. Let me see something here. Let's just put Claude up on this one. All right, there's a little delay. Claude. All right. Okay, so it's crazy, man. I still don't see me inside of that window. No, I don't get this. All right, so I'm stuck. I'm looking at OBS. I've got the webcam set up like I want. I've got the desktop in view, but I'm not seeing those things on my YouTube stream. And I don't
It sounds
know how
like
to get
OBS
to the
might not
key.
actually be sending the stream to YouTube yet. To fix that, open YouTube Studio, click on the Create button, and then Go Live. In the Live Control Room, look for your stream key on the Stream tab. Copy that stream key. Now in OBS, go to Preferences or Settings, find the Stream section, select YouTube as the service, and paste that stream key in. Once you've done that, click Start Streaming in OBS. You should then see your desktop and webcam feed on YouTube. If you don't see the stream key or have trouble, it might be easiest to end the current live.
When I go to stream in OBS settings, I don't have an option to put in a stream key. I see a list of values for destinations or for services, and there's Twitch, YouTube, RTMS, Facebook Live, Restream.io, Twitter, some other thing. But there's nothing to input a stream key.
In the current versions of OBS, when you go to the stream settings and choose YouTube as the service, you should see a section labeled Stream Key or a Connect Account option. If you log into your YouTube account through OBS using the Connect Account option, you won't need to manually enter a stream key. If you prefer to use the stream key, look below the service selection for a drop-down or field labeled Stream Key and paste it.
Okay, I've already logged in using the destination setting, so we can scratch anything about the stream key. What's next?
Since you've already connected OBS to YouTube using the destination option, the next step is to click Start Streaming in OBS. This action sends your OBS scene, your desktop and webcam, to the YouTube stream that you're logged into. Keep an eye on the YouTube Live control room to make sure the feed is coming through. Once you see the preview there, you're live with your OBS setup.
All right, so when I click Start Streaming in OBS, the next screen is Manage Broadcast or Close. It tells me you need to set up a broadcast before you can start streaming. It gives me the option to manage broadcast or close. So I click manage broadcast, and then I get an error on the screen on the next page. The next screen, it says live streaming is not enabled on the selected YouTube channel. See youtube.com/features for more information. But when I go to there, I do have live streaming enabled. So what is the problem? What's next?
It can be frustrating when the platform says one thing and OBS says another. Sometimes this happens if the channel hasn't verified its phone number or if the account is brand new. I'd suggest double checking that the channel has phone verification completed and that there are no restrictions on the account.
Okay.
Also, try restarting OBS
So I already have live streaming enabled on YouTube. I verified it. In fact, I'm actually live streaming right now on YouTube, and I've probably been doing it for 22 minutes.
If you're actively live streaming on YouTube right now, it's possible that the broadcast was started outside of OBS and OBS isn't linked to that specific broadcast. The live streaming is not enabled message could be OBS misunderstanding the current status. One workaround is to end your existing YouTube stream and start a new one directly from OBS. That way, OBS manages the broadcast and you won't run into that error.
That's what I asked.
If ending the current stream isn't an option, you might need to adjust settings or use a secondary streaming software.
That's what I asked.
But the most straightforward route is letting OBS manage the broadcast from the start.
I'm not sure asking you Perplexity was better than using Google. I don't think you saved me time this time, man. Most times you're pretty solid, but this time you kind of took me through some circles.
It can be frustrating when things don't connect as smoothly as expected.
You start cutting me
if you're
off,
already live on YouTube and OBS isn't linking up, the simplest solution may be to end the current stream and start a new one directly through OBS, ensuring it has control. If that's not an option, you might want to check YouTube's Help Center or community forums for guidance on linking OBS to an already running.
Why is it so hard to interrupt you when you cut me off?
I'm really sorry if it feels like I'm cutting you off. I definitely want to make sure we're having a real conversation. Please feel free to jump in and I'll do my best to pause more and let you lead the way. What would you like to focus on right now?
I want you to tell me how to use this app. Use you right in a way that when you do start cutting me off in the middle of speaking, I can like press a button to tell you to stop talking so I can finish. How do I do that?
I understand where you're coming from. Right now, there isn't a physical button you can press to pause me mid-sentence, but you can interrupt me at any time by speaking. I'll do my best to stop and listen when you do. If you notice I keep talking, just jump in with your voice and I'll pick up on it. I'm here to help, so don't hesitate to interrupt if you need to.
How do I interrupt?
You can interrupt me simply by speaking while I'm talking. The system is
No,
designed
but
to pick up your voice.
when I do that, you'll still be talking for like 2 seconds, 2 or 3 extra seconds. So what's a button or a hotkey or something that I can do to get you to stop talking when you interrupt?
I hear your frustration. At the moment, there isn't a built in button or hotkey to instantly stop me. The system is designed to pick up on your voice when you interrupt, but it might take a second or two to catch up. I'll do my best to leave